Have you ever wondered how a luxury leather bag is made? It all begins with cattle raised on farms. After the hides are collected, they are cleaned, washed, and carefully tanned to create strong, durable leather. Once dried, precision machines cut each piece.
Flawless edge, dimensions are perfect.
Precision is the heart of luxury. Every stitch tells a story of mastery. Here, crafting a premium leather bag requires absolute precision. Every buckle is secured by hand. Heat and pressure leave a flawless mark. Only perfection makes the final cut.